What we're doing, guys? Welcome back to my cooking channel, guys. This is Chef Carlton here from the Just Good Cooking Network. I'm asking you to please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you won't miss my notifications. Today I'm walking you guys through a special recipe, guys. So stick around, guys, and let's have fun while we do this one. Alright, guys, so today I'm going to do some chicken char siu. And what I got for you guys, I got some nice boneless chicken breast right here. I got some char siu sauce, some 5 spice, salt, pepper, regular season, all purpose, some green onions, got a little bit of salt. Also got some rice because I'm going to do this with rice. Alright guys, so we're going to start by getting our chicken breast, and you're going to leave the fat on because for this you want the fat, right? We're just going to give it a little score, slight, not too deep, just enough to trap the char siu sauce in it. Alright, I'm going to put that over there. I'm going to repeat the process. The chicken breast, little scores, all the way through, like that. Again, remember guys, leave some of the fat on it. Alright guys, so now you got your chicken breast all ready. We're going to go ahead and we're going to take our gloves off. We're going to go ahead and season those. Alright. So some 5 spice, some all purpose, a little bit of black pepper, some salt, and we're going to use some sesame oil. Alright, now we're going to go in and rub that together. Alright guys, now we're going to rub these together. Just season everybody. Make sure we get it good. Because I already smell the sesame oil and the 5 spice. I feel like I'm in a Chinese restaurant already, guys. Alright, so now we get like this. We're going to go ahead and add some of our char siu to this. Alright, about time to add our char siu. We're going to go ahead and add approximately half of what we're using. Just to get that all mixed up. Alright guys, so when you're finished, this is what you're going to be looking at. Alright, nice chicken is ready to hit the oven. Or this one I'm going to do on the stove top and in the oven. Either way. Alright guys, so now you got your pan on the fire. You guys want some using my griddles, so almost like imitating a grill. Alright, we're going to start by laying out our chicken. Now, you don't want to go too hot, you don't want them to burn before this cook, so you want to get that nice charring sound but not too much smoke. You know, sesame oil smokes easy, and we got sesame oil in these, so you want to start with your fire on medium heat. Let simmer like 5 minutes on that side. Alright guys, so you see where we're at. We're almost ready to flip this over. So let me go ahead and get this in there real quick. Alright, so now we see that nice red that you're looking for. Almost there guys. So we get a sear on both sides. Then we're going to coat it again with one more. And then we're going to finish it off in the oven. Alright guys, so now that you're at this stage, we're going to go down, we're going to baste the chicken. Alright, so we're going to let that cook down a little bit more. Then we're going to remove the chicken from all this juice, put it in a flat pan, then put the oven on broil. And we're going to baste it and let it boil for 5 more minutes. Then we'll be ready guys. Alright guys, so now we're ready. So we're going to go ahead and transfer our chicken to a baking grill. So we're going to finish this off in the oven. See, you're going to turn that side down. The side that's already charred like that, you're going to keep it down because we want to get the top charred now. Oh, look at that. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to just baste this with some more of the char siu. Guys, this is starting to become one of my favorite dish. Well, the dressing or the sauce or the flavor of char siu. Make sure you're getting all these little creases real good. Guys, cooking is all about having fun, you know, learning new recipes, new techniques. I know you guys see I'm starting to launch a lot of new recipes and some merchandise, so make sure you check it out, get yours, because I started it recently and I'm already getting some nice reviews, so make sure you guys get in there. Alright guys, so right now guys, I want to make sure you have your oven on broil. If you haven't got this feature, make sure your oven is on broil. Alright, so we're going to go in and we're going to forget about that for 5 minutes. Alright guys, now let's get this out of here. What we're going to do, we're going to transfer these to our cutting board and we're going to cut these into strips. Alright guys, so yeah, you just make some small strips. Then we're going to go ahead and hit it back on the burner with some of the char siu sauce, so that way all of your chicken get all that char siu flavor. Alright, so now your pot should be hot. Alright, going to just add your char siu. And you're going to bring that to a nice boil, nice simmer. Alright guys, that's what you're looking for, alright? You want to see that bubble? You know that you're starting to reduce, starting to turn into a sticky sauce. Alright, at this point now you're going to go ahead and add your chicken. Oh yeah. Alright, now we're just going to go ahead and cover everybody in this sauce. You're making a mess, but that's how it is. That's it guys. And again, if you really want, what you could give it another coat, but it's quite alright. But if you like that char siu flavor, you could go ahead and add more to make a sauce out of it to eat with the rice. Alright guys, so now you know this is my favorite part. Let's go ahead and get some plate up, because I'm hungry. So we're just going to go ahead and put the rice just like so. Alright, we're going to get our char siu. Alright, by this rice. And you know I'm a meat guy, so it's going to be a lot more meat than rice. Alright, then we're just going to go ahead and garnish that with some greens. Nice beautiful chicken char siu guys. Hope you guys enjoy. I always ask you guys to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, give me a like if you like this video, let me know what you guys think.